My last reggae Sumfest, you understand? Because I can't take the style thing, me a bad boy. Ready now, Jummy?
Crown them.
Masicka, look how long Jungle Boss want you. You just a pick up. Me say look how long Jungle Boss want you. You just a pick up. You just a pick up say Kartel them a blood clot trick, sir. Kartel come and friend and trick you. And pull up.
Earn your way,
You
yo.
know what kind of boot that you have. But me say them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say corner put out or corner go. Nobody, none of that. And Sumfest, it never hurt with the deep.
Walk a pussy and never typewriter. My dad them have to live. Fuck about a gal in them all I wanna like how we a live. Pipe infrared, pan infrared. And me give you your first hit. Pussy me change your life. You can't deny. If you say no, me aim up to 45.
Why are you running? Why are you running? You owe me money. You have to give me back my money.
Which money? I owe you which money? Now let me tell you.
People don't know where they ain't go have a field there, you know, man. When me did tell them, say, dog, yo, Masicka not learning a dog. Masicka did dip on your wave for your set in own part, but he run back a Kartel like pop flap can. And me telling them, I remember Kartel telling in a song with him White House, you know. I say him, the man say, nobody above me. When me lay down. You know, the man say, anybody in a
DJ them can fight the thing, but not for too long.
Them can't fight it.
I'm telling you this, because
We
we
are
tell
killing
them from the start.
in a real life.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's a boss, Nando and I building with another episode and another vlog for you guys. So you know what I go on in a dancehall, viewers and subscribers. I guess I bet you can't tell me what I go on in a dancehall. Masicka finally wake up. Masicka finally wake up. So after last night performance with Vybz, Kartel and all of the dancehall acts, them Masicka governor and so forth, we saw where Masicka came out on the stage dark and say, yo, this might be his last Sumfest night because him not textiling and him a bad boy and so forth. So me hear from the grapevine, me hear from a great source, and the source tell me say a little altercation going on a back high stage. A little minor thing, but it becomes a big thing because it was said that Down Sound Records, Down Sound whole team wanted to suit Vybz Kartel need by cutting Masicka's set short just for Vybz Kartel crowning to take place in a more timely manner and so forth, because you know timing is always against reggae Sumfest whenever the artists them perform. So Masicka and the whole Down Sound team, and it look like some Masicka get up in and feeling this a show you say Masicka never no say yo him need it for earn him way, because watch you now. Remember Alkaline song we say earn your way? In a this a trader, you have to earn your way. So we see where Jashii came out on Masicka's set, and Jashii was the one who made it clear in Masicka's set, because Masicka did a hide behind. I don't know why Masicka never want brave up yet. Him might show some sort of bravery, but at the same time he might hide it. And Jashii did have to be the person to come out, to come take the fire, to come take the crucifixion for Masicka, because Masicka did a hide every little thing will take place backstage. But Jashii came out and made it clear by saying that Masicka are the baddest thing, them not bad like him, shoes lace. All you see who are crowner and who are get crowner, ray, them not bad like a shoes lace. So viewers and subscribers, a lot of people peep the thing where what took place last night, and a lot of people come out and attack. So a lot of Gaza fans are cut off Masicka now. A lot of Gaza fans are bash Masicka and them are bash Jashii, and it look like some Masicka have to stand on him own now. Him have to stand on him own 2 foot as him own column, build him own column. And we've been said this for years, you know, so Masicka, you see this Vybz Kartel wave where you're depend, you need to build your own wave. You need to do it by yourself. You need to build your own little thing. Viewers and subscribers, no see Masicka not even sing infrared on the stage last night. Masicka never big up Vybz Kartel last night. I wonder if you not pre you are going. As me telling the viewers and subscribers, me hear from great source say the altercation that took place, the situation that took place behind the backstage was that them wanted to cut Masicka's set short, and Masicka wasn't having it just because they wanted to suit Vybz Kartel need. And channel viewers and subscribers, subscribers. And we see where Matsus came out and make it clear, say that I go on in a January, a pay thing I go on the dancehall viewers and subscribers. Masicka, I wonder how Masicka I go manage right now. That's Gaza fans them a cut him off. Gaza fans them a diss him up. Yo, if you look on some of the comment section with some of the people them where them a say, Jano them a deal with Masicka. We a Jashii come take the crucifixion for Masicka because Masicka never brave up enough to make it clear on the stage. He might try shove it on the rug, but at the same time, you know, he might talk and he might show, he might talk the badness on the stage and I say, yo, me are the baddest thing in a Jamaica. No boy. And he might say, yo, me will kill them in a real life channel with viewers and subscribers. I go on in a dance hall. Masicka finally wake up. Like Alkaline say, no, if you want to play, in this trade you have to earn your way. Masicka come like him never realized that dancehall is a cutthroat business. You have to stand on your own 2 foot. You have to be your own solid ground. You can't rely upon a man thing because what? If you want to be great in this trade, you know, you have to be on your own. You can't be overshadowed by Vybz Kartel, and knowing that Vybz Kartel is Jamaica's #1 dancehall hero and treasure to Jamaica. Them now go put nobody else above Vybz Kartel. So if Masicka want to be man for himself, he must have a branch off just like how Vybz Kartel did have a branch off from the alliance and be member say 2 bull can roll in a 1 pen. So remember Vybz Kartel did have a branch off out of the alliance, and so Movada did have to do it himself too. And remember Movada and Bounty Killer did have a local altercation when Movada friend gets shot at the nightclub and so forth, and from there and then Movada never deal back with Bounty Killer. But you know them are friends now and family, I would say, you know, brother and father and so forth. But right now, viewers and subscribers, we are talking about the Masicka thing. I'm gonna see a lot of videos come out with a lot of people that speak on it because some people are pretending like them not hear what Jashii did say on the stage now. Jashii clearly stated that the crown, whoever get crown, MC crown, give and crown, give out and where that I go. Them no bad like your shoes lace. Jesus Christ, viewers and subscribers. Masicka, they are commander fire right now. And if Masicka not really, I don't know, Masicka just have to continuously find the hits them and gear them fan base. But you must remember say majority of fan base come from Vybz Kartel, Gaza fans. So if him really want to challenge this situation now, him better be careful. Or him better know what him do because you know, viewers and subscribers, it no look pretty. Alkaline. That's why I have to rate Alkaline because what? Alkaline I only man will do it on him own. Alkaline I only man when no lily down him thing. But I try look strength from the other man. And that happened to Masicka. Masicka get the big bad infrared from Vybz Kartel and gather Vybz Kartel's fans, and now him turn him back from Vybz Kartel. Him shade Vybz Kartel. And right now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel nor Masicka, follow them one another. Jesus Christ. Trouble there, viewers and subscribers. But me have some clippings for play for Uno, you know. I'm wanting to tell me what you think. A lot of people come out and attack, and a lot of people are pretending like them that you are going. But watch some of them clippings and tell me what you think with some of the things and what the people must say. And me I got also play some of the clippings of the night of last night's Sumfest concert with Jashii, and you can hear some of the shades them where Masicka are true in a performance. So watch and listen to these people.
People don't know we didn't go have a field day, you know, man. When me did tell them, say, dog, yo, Masicka not learning a dog. Masicka did dip on your wave for your set in your own part, but he run back a Kartel like pop flap can. And me telling them, remember Kartel telling in a song with him White House, you know. I say him, the man said, nobody above me. When me lay down. You know, the man say, anybody in a camp, nobody above him. That's why a vendetta, vendetta, hungry man stand up to Sprattel. I make Sprattel fret, no blood clot. Right now, Sprattel fret. Right now, Sprattel I do everything in their power to get Alkaline and their wing. Because if he do that, he might be blood clot elite. But vendetta will have none of that. Masicka, we tell a dog, build your fan base and stop run back at the Gaza, my youth. Build your fucking fan base, dog. Stop run back at Gaza, my youth. When you say under your wing, you're not going to reach far charge, and that reach our Sumfest, dog. You're deaf.
People, What a time to be alive. Because watch this, a lot of people have been saying these stuff, have been putting these things to Masicka from a longer time, telling him to build his own fan base, build your own vineyard, have your own vineyard. Because you see, if you lean on the next man vineyard, when the next man come back, you're not going to have nothing to rely upon. And that's the issue with Masicka. And then again, you know, if you understand, say, Masicka respect Vybz Kartel to the max, because remember I say a Vybz Kartel give him that big hit song in for it, so he might always have some allegiance and he might always respect him. But at the same time, if you want to be great, bro, if you want to be your own man or you want to be your own column in a dancehall, bro, you can't linger or lean on the next man thing. You think, oh Lily brother, you think I got Lily brother, and that would be not said to Masicka and him fans them think say a hate or a bad man, but I know hate is just the facts. How dancehall set up. Every man for themselves. You have to dip on your own foot. You have to stand up on your own foot and be your own boss. You can't be overshadowed by your next man.
I don't know what kind of mood that you have, but me say them not bad like your shoeless. Them say corner put out our corner go. Nobody, none of them. I don't fresh. Me don't worry, you feel know your child different. After the house, they are making it different. See, I want to get the
Masicka, you realize that Jungle Boss I dancehall coach. You just realize. Look how long me a teach you game, brother. And you follow some little fool people and know dancehall. Oh, listen to Jungle Boss. Shut up. Jungle know the business, man. I will coach this man. I will teach you and tell them what to do. Yeah, man. In a real life. Yeah, what me I say now, Masicka. You see, if you want to be on the top, if you want to be on the top of dancehall, you can't pirate Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel are going to shadow your thing in a real life. Yeah, man. You can't say you're done and pirate a bigger than. You're going to turn a follower. Believe. Yeah, man. Remember saying, you know, a bounty killer. Boss Vybz Kartel, you know. And Vybz Kartel say, watch me have power, you know. If my pirate killer, you know, my thing I go shadow, you know, killer, I go shadow my thing, you know. And cut off. And create Gaza. And certain thing, bro. You certain thing, bro. Anyway, under killer wing. Him thing with a shadow. Him cut off a war against all blood clot killer. If make him name. Yeah, man. No joke. Yeah, man. Remember say Alkaline branch off, you know. When the whole every young officer say, yo, Gaza. Alkaline branch off and hold in one so. That's why up to today, Alkaline relevant. Alkaline have to sing a song for relevant. If Vybz Kartel perform one show, a man in them call Alkaline name. Yeah, man. Me say if Vybz Kartel do anything, them call Alkaline name. Alkaline have to do nothing in the media for your name call. Yeah, man, can set himself that way there. Can stand out and be a done and him thing grow. Yeah, man. So you have to do the same. Branch off no man and hold your own, man. When Kartel come out of prison, you know, you shouldn't make Kartel come friend back in the should just hold out and hold your blood clot one and stand up on Kartel, you know. Yeah, make people say a bad mind. Because more people talk and more thing grow. Stand up on him, stand up and say, well, how you do Kartel? I know say Gaza fans them have me. Nah let them go, you know. Me nah let them go. Stand up on Kartel, no, man. You make Kartel call you and trick you. Make you look like boy. I know you're a ball pan show. I said they must start forget to youth and ray. They don't want to see you reach this and ray. You're late, man. Stand out by your own. Hey, watch out, man. Don't make me cussing, man. Stand out by your own, brother. And your thing will grow. Believe. Yeah, man. Can't be a Dan. And say you're part of a bigger Dan. You're going to be a follower. Believe in yourself, youth. Stand out. Yeah, man. And that's why I say Alkaline them up on the top, you know. Yeah, man. Alkaline them can't stop calling a dancehall. All when enough artists sing out them tribe. Them can't big like Alka. Yeah, man. He set himself in a business that way there. Yeah, man. Learn the game. I win with. I mean, coach. Yeah, man.
You have some boy Richard switching a life. Balance it. You have some boy post up girl every day. I mean, I see them post their mother. All I will love their mother in that crowd. Let me see some signal, so.
Push up behind them.
All I will know is if they make $1 million tomorrow. Them now sell out.
No time.
Some boy, your opportunist friend. Them can't trick me. I shot people in them see Sumfest. We can't tell us something.
Here's the issue we have with Masicka now. Masicka taught the badness, but at the same time, he's afraid to go head to head with another artist. Like, not a planned clash where him Binado from him just coming a game with Khaled and all of them artists there. But here's the thing, Masicka knows it would be an hard challenge to go up against an artist like Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel is loved by many, and Masicka, knowing that him have majority of Vybz Kartel fans that support him know it's going to be a hard hurdle for go over. Cause watch this now, people. Masicka not have him own vineyard, no. Masicka don't have him own vineyard, and again too, a lot of people see Masicka and Alkaline in this era or this genre as the Mavado and the Vybz Kartel artists them, cause they know them lyrical in them, not take nothing from Masicka in them. Lyrical, him have lyrics and stuff, but Masicka failed to emerge to that greatness because he's being pet and pampered and overshadowed also by Vybz Kartel, and it's like him still stuck in the Vybz Kartel shadow. Because watch this, how it take Jashii for come out for say what he must say, for everybody hear it clear as day, and Masicka come on the stage and send beer shades and beer stuff without him even saying nothing. How is it that Masicka? This is why me have a problem with Masicka, because Masicka know say, yo, you know say me have to just go and be a baby crooks. No wonder why them call him a baby crooks, because Masicka knows say him have majority of Vybz Kartel fans that support him. Him not have a strong fan base, but him have a fan base. But it's just that him knows say him can't go up against Vybz Kartel. Yo, Jashii braver than Masicka, yeah man. Jashii just braver than Masicka. Big man thing, cause Masicka a coward dog.
I go hard for them keep up. Me go hard and me song them a creep up. Jashii look how long you song them a creep. They don't fear walk you know. A 2 or 3 song me know you sing and me like you and them me like creep up. And our rough days are tough days, and we never, me like that song too. I don't know no more. I don't know if me know no more. But Jashii, when I say look like you not show look a shade, who you that talk? Who you that shade, Jashii? Come in, okay, all have we seen about who want know? Who want you confirm? You can't just have fling shade and gone, so after in a tree. Come here, Jashii man. Who you talk, Jashii? Who you talking to? One point you say you nah shout. Then couple seconds after you are shout. You Jashii make up your mind. I not rub you. Can you have 2 little songs when I like? I not rub you. I just want to know who you are shade. And who? It's hard for who keep up. You song if you walk, you know, you're not still supposed to creep. Come up, Jashii, and come and talk to me, man. Nah, rub yourself. As when I say 2 little songs, I like them. Come talk to me, Jashii. Come up and talk to me. Yeah. I got my business now, people. I love the day. Bye.
People, I know what you all are Sumfest, you know. But I watch pieces and pieces so far. But I'm going to go to some video as I go. But here I say not the first thing I want to talk about on Sumfest. Did Jashii really style Kartel? No, I want to know if a Kartel Jashii really actually would pump on stage. Because right now, I don't know what I'm to Jashii, you know. Him not no career. I don't want Gaza fans them go at him right now, you know. Because they are trying to fight to get back one song right now. He really are trying to style or shade Vybz Kartel. I can't that Jashii just do on Sumfest.
Even though I get my news from good source, in myself, I wonder if this is a plan thing or something we are plan out figure out. But at the same time, something like this is inevitable, you know. It just a go happen. Naturally it go happen. Because 2 bull car running on 1 pen, and if Masicka declares him the baddest thing and now prove himself, knowing that Vybz Kartel are the elephant in the room will stand up mighty and over him can't outshadow or overshadow Vybz Kartel. So declaring that you are the baddest thing, knowing so you're not gonna get that big of a forward like where Vybz Kartel get our Alkaline, because those are the 2 biggest fractions in a dancehall. Don't get me wrong. It is. We can't hide and talk. Those are the 2 biggest fractions with the 2 biggest fan base. And we know say Vybz Kartel have the bigger fan base, but at the same time, Masicka wanting to be the man who him want be and declaring that he's the baddest or whatever, not proving himself and being overshadowed by Vybz Kartel. It all hard for him. It agga hard for him.
And we run Mobile. We say Siena, we say Canterbury, we say Rose. See you looking at Mobile. The dog starts sell white stole like coffee stove. Hot high kitchen down. 17 shows of it. What's your son? Hey, Sumfest!
everything not have the killer. We don't have the code, we not have the killer. Oh, my yourself. One long time, we don't mix.
Well, I said the bad, what he tell me well.
Yo, when I think them when me have to rate Alkaline final dog, Jano, Alkaline spot the mind game and the psychology we go on in a dancehall and where the artists them come with. Cause watch this, dancehall is a psychology sports, you know. Competition is always up and alive. So if you can't read mind game and psychology, dancehall enough for you. So me have to rate Alkaline yo, Alkaline is one of them youth they come like a man predict the future and see everything where I go on and everything where I go play. Because watch you know. Alkaline been a sec. If you want to earn, if you want to play another trader, you have to know for earn your way. And that a rich Masicka, you know. Him just probably a discover how to earn him way because he have to go stand up on him 1 2 foot. You know.
Sumfest 2025. Masicka. Masicka, me hear, you know, when you see your last Sumfest. And me have to figure say something not right because Masicka, the way you perform a particular show and the way you see you perform overseas, all the other times I'm performing overseas, brother, you never have the energy there on the stage. And furthermore, Jummy them, the bands, me don't know why the bands did move so lazy. A rough cut, me don't know what go on if you never did one play for Masicka or what. But right now, Masicka performance at Sumfest, it's hard to say, but me still have to say it. Masicka Sumfest performance, boring. Me have to say it. It's boring. Me never like Masicka Sumfest performance. Masicka never have that energy there. Masicka never have that drive there in Sumfest performance. It dead, it lame, it not no life in it. The most liveliest part of Masicka performance I must when him call on Jashii. I must when him call on Jashii. You see me I deal with Masicka, me can see that perform under some energy. It's like you're there Sumfest and a perform, but it's like you not even did one up on the stage and did it. You just a perform till you get your PR ready because them style you. Them style your Masicka, me understand what I go on. And in a real life, no for the artists, them a Sumfest, they not gonna really get the recognition there because right now, we all know the big moment at Sumfest already. And know say a Vybz Kartel. So that is the main thing for Sumfest. So every other artist just there for the whole time until the Gaza bars touch the stage. So Masicka, reviewing your Sumfest performance, it never look good. It make your career look away for your artists will have hits on top of hits. It make your performance look boring. The bands are play boring. The crowd now feel it. Nothing. Masicka, me think you make a wise decision. If you get style in a Sumfest, brother, don't perform back down there.
Viewers and subscribers, as me tell you already, you know, man, the switch up upon Masicka start already because the Gaza fans them jump ship them not supporting Masicka no more. And this will be a talk about, this will be a sing about by Masicka. Say, yo, Masicka, build your thing, youth. Don't dwell, don't depend on the Gaza strength because when the Gaza strength gone back to the Gaza bars, you're going to have a warm time. It's going to be a hard hurdle for go over. So that will be not say from a longer time. Yo, Jano, 2025, earn your way, come out the right time for the year. If you want to play, in that trader, you have to learn how to earn your way. Earn your way because watch this, dancehall is a cutthroat business. Every man for themselves when everything is all said and done. It's when the smoke is clear, every man for themselves. See the Gaza bars come back a road here. The whole like Gaza fans them and support Vybz Kartel alone. And now that this got me now, no a problem. Masicka, one thing we can say still no youth, just go and drop the hit songs them, you know. For once you can't find the hit songs them, nothing else no matter, you know, but Jano, it's gonna be a hard hurdle for your cross, no brother. It's gonna be a hard hurdle. So me have Mad Sus in our recent clippings and it look like him a confirm everything, you know, cause him a say, yo, none of you can step to Vybz Kartel lyrically, you know. None of you know. So all of who I said them are the baddest thing. None of you can run up and try for this to Vybz Kartel. So listen what Mad Sus say, people. Hear him words and hear everything what him a say out of him mouth.
One barrel, one your fucking head. One, that one. It's like something wrong with you. Yo, anyone who never like that, I'm glad say, are willingly know in on self, knowing factually, say dog, nobody in this world, in a dancehall don't deserve, no matter anyhow, no like that, brother. I swear, anyone know, any brother, me eat brother, me not like, no, in a virgin, yo, me not like no dog. Yeah, and it doesn't matter if you're not bad mind and don't happy, say, and watch out, are the first in a ever music history in a Jamaica. And we can come out of Jamaica, we can talk out of Jamaica, but in a Jamaica, no artist has ever been crowned for a title of King of Dancehall. The old time person where they say he was the king, the old person from them time there, before me born and no for uno, him never get a crown put on him head. Vybz Kartel, Spice, yeah man, I set now. So next 10 years, 20 years from now, you see me? Vybz Kartel I denounce himself. Because I tell you, bro, unless Vybz Kartel denounce himself as the king of dancehall, he not going to lose his throne. And when me sure about, none of you can war him for his throne. None of you cannot war for that throne. Meaning, lyrically, we are going to clash. We are going to prove, say, work ethics, achievement, and them something there for prove say are you are the king now. You now can use that and go around Vybz Kartel, bro. For we use that and win the title from him. So the only thing you now can do if Vybz Kartel do not denounce himself, knowing say I want to all this long enough other you can get it. And then you have to go remember him fans them. Him fans them we say no, nobody else can get the crown there yet. No, nobody else can get it yet because his fan base is that powerful and influential. You understand?
Viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section. And let me know what you think about what Mad Sus are saying. You know, Mad Sus are Vybz Kartel security, or I would say bodyguard or so forth. But let me know what you think about what he must say, because also he must say that he not like enough of them artists boy, or he must say who not like that or who feel some type of way about Vybz Kartel being crowned king for run up and down the mother. So tell me what you think about that. You know, already, man. A Vybz and Inside with Nando. With another episode. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.